Yo, it's your boy Awesomeisjayell, aka the biggest music artist in the universe. Let's go. I gotta put it. I gotta put on the shades for this one. Let's start our music up. Man, we back. We got another piece of content for y'all, man. Today, we got some crazy, crazy news article today, man, by Microsoft. Microsoft dropped the bombshell today. They dropped it. They dropped it on them folks. You know what I'm saying? They dropped the big boy today. Woo! Dropped the big boy today. It's funny, man. I just started making content recently talking about AI and Chat GPT and all these new innovations within the tech space and how it's gonna affect jobs. It's gonna affect jobs. It's gonna affect careers. It's gonna affect college. It's gonna affect all these different things, man. And I ain't gonna cap. I knew this. I knew this probably. I knew this when Chat GPT dropped. I knew it was just a sign of things to come. You know what I'm saying? So I jumped on it ASAP. You know what I'm saying? Me and my wife jumped on it. We started figuring it out. What are these prompts? What are these commands? What do you do? How do you run it? You know what I'm saying? Just the whole spiel, the whole nine. You know what I'm saying? We jumped into it. Um, and just to really let y'all know, I am doing consultations for that. You know what I'm saying? Currently, y'all can check down. Link will be down the bottom bio, not the bio, but it'll be down in the description. Also, link in bio too as well. Helping you guys get caught up to speed with Chat GPT and AI. Especially if you just now coming into it, you don't know anything about it. I'm that guy. Just hit me up, book me for a session. And I can give y'all a quick rundown, man. I'm real good at breaking things down, making it real simple and plain. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm teaching a 5-year-old. That's my thing. That's my wave. That's my sauce. That's what it is. But with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this article. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and jump into this thing, man. So we need this joint and we need this joint to be a little bigger. Okay, there we go. Um, it's as big as it gonna get. But let's jump into the article, man. Um, it says Microsoft has listed 40 jobs most at risk of being taken over by AI. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. It's crazy out here. You know what I'm saying? It's the wild thing to me is the fact that Microsoft chose to put out this article. That's the crazy part. You know what I'm saying? But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. It says music DJs, reporters, journalists, editors, web developers, telemarketers, telephone operators, account clerks, and more. Boy, I know y'all, I know some people watching. I know some people watching, they looking like, what is going on right now? Bro, I've been talking about this for a minute. Ain't gonna cap. I may have not been on YouTube talking about it, but I've been in real life talking about it and telling people about, you know, the times and how the times are changing. You gotta get with the times, man. You're gonna have to get with the times. With that being said, let's go ahead and read this article. Um, Also, this is a say cheese post as well. Take that with a grain of salt. It really don't mean nothing, but they just, they post a lot of content that's gonna get a lot of feedback. Let's say that. You know what I'm saying? A lot of things that ruffle people's feathers. But like I said, take that with a grain of salt. Let's go ahead and go in this list real quick. Man, after I read off this list, I need y'all to go down to the comment section. Let me know if your profession or your career is on this list. And hit me up. Book a session, man. Book a session with me. I'll let you know how to pivot. Me and my wife has been pivoting the whole time. The whole time. Pivot, 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 pivot. Ultimately, we building empires. futuristic empires. We've been doing that for a while too as well. But like I said, um, everything down in the description. Also click the link in bio. But with that being said, let's read off some of these job titles. Um, Let me get my mic right. Get my mic. Yo, let me get my mic right real quick. But yeah, job titles. We got interpreters and translators. Man, if you're a translator out there, man, you know what? It's crazy. I remember one point in time, people used to say, man, be a translator, man. You make some real good money being a translator, man. You learn Spanish, you learn French, man. You make a lot of money. Nah, not anymore. It's not like that no more. All right, let's keep it moving. I ain't gonna stop on every one, but I just wanted to say that real quick. No cap. Historians, passenger attendants. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. Was that man, if you was a passenger attendant, drop down in the comments and let me know what they do for real, bro. Cause or sis, like I don't like what is that? No cap. Like I ain't making fun of it, but a passenger attendants? Come on now. You ain't think that had no type of job security now. You couldn't. You couldn't have. You couldn't have thought that had job security. You couldn't have. Sales representatives of services, writers and authors, customer service and representatives, CNC tool programmers, telephone operators, ticket agents and travel clerks, broadcast announcers and radio DJs, brokerage clerks, farm and home management educators. Huh? yo, I swear some of this stuff, man, it's like somebody just pulled out a dictionary and just put like multiple words together. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what? You know what I'm saying? It's wild, man. It's crazy. Let's keep it moving. Broadcast announcers, radio DJs, brokerage clerks. Okay, we went there. My bad. Telemarketers, concierge, political scientists, news analysts, reporters, journalists, mathematicians. That's crazy. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the ooh. Why I can't find it? Why I can't find the ooh, man? Not the boo. I guess I have to settle for that, man. I guess I have to settle for that. It's crazy. It's crazy out here in these stream deck streets. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, mathematicians, man, that's you up out of here. You know what I'm saying? You real high up on that list. Technical writers, proofreaders, and copy markers. Host and hostesses, editors, business teachers, post-secondary, public relations specialists, demonstrators and product promoters, advertising sales agents, new account clerks, statistical assistants, counter and rental clerks, data scientists, personal financial advisors, archivists, economics teachers, post-secondary, web developers, management analysts, geographers, models. What? So we got AI taking over the model gigs too. It's crazy. They coming for everything. Market research analysts, public safety telecommunicators, switchboard operators, library science teachers, and post-secondary. Oh man.
More fire, more heat.
That is the list. That is the list. Microsoft, I guess they looked around. They said, man, you know what? Let's just bring the heat real quick, because people think it's a joke. They think it's a game. Like I said, I've been preaching this for a minute. I've been telling people AI is gonna take all the regular jobs and normal jobs out here. So what does that do? That forces you to be your authentic self, man. You're gonna have to be yourself. like what I'm doing now, this video, I'm bringing y'all this information because they're not gonna bring it to you at a truth level, right? They're gonna bring it to you in an article like this. You don't actually see an actual spokesman from Microsoft saying, hey, this is what's happening. This is what this means. No, you got me, the intermediary. You know what I'm saying? The person that's actually out here in these streets, talking to the people, letting them know what this means in layman terms. You know what I'm saying? So I'm here to bring y'all that news, that information, because I know a lot of y'all don't even know what's going on or know it's even going on to begin with. You know what I'm saying? So I'm here to feed the streets. You know what I'm saying? So give it up. You know what I'm saying?
More fire, more heat.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm here to feed the streets. So, yeah. I know a lot of it is disappointing, man. Especially if your job got hit. Um, I don't know what to tell you, man. You got to pivot. You got to make these moves. You got to skill up. You got to get your skills up. You got to start getting into new things, man. You can't stay stuck in the same mold of old earth. I like to call it old earth. And now a lot of different technology and spiritual awakenings is positioning us to have leverage in the upper hand. You know what I'm saying? If you want to learn more about that, go down in the description. Click the links, man. In the bio, in the description, wherever it's at. But that's it for today's video. I wanted to give y'all a piece of this content, breaking down what this means. For society, it will never be the same again. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all knew that in the back of y'all mind once they introduced AI in the first place. But I'm here to actually drive that message home to let you know that, AI and all these different innovative technologies is here to stay. It's neither good or bad, but you can choose to use it to your advantage. And I'm here to, help guide you to do that. But with that being said, I got to do the intro for the outro. Yo, it's your boy Awesomeisjayell, aka the biggest music artist in the universe. Don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, and we are signing out. Peace.
More fire.